Anastasia. I vow to love you faithfully, forsaking all others. I promise to love, to trust, and to respect you, to comfort you in times of need, and keep you safe. All that I have is now yours. I give you my hand and my heart for as long as we both shall live.
Christian, I vow to be your faithful partner in sickness and in health. I promise to love you unconditionally, to honor and respect you, to bring you solace in times of need. I promise to cherish you as long as we both shall live.
I now pronounce you man and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Don't ask me what you know is true. Don't have to tell you. Oh, I love your precious heart. I was